Assalamu alaikum. I am Sayed Zain Bukhari. Today I am going to show you how to add a banner on a billboard in a perspective view. Okay, let's do this. Click on the filter and choose the vanishing point. A new window will appear. Okay, mark the area where you want to place the banner like this. After making the selection, it will show a grid. Then click on the OK button on the top right corner. Okay, now select the banner and convert it to smart object. Then drag this to the billboard and drop here. Then click on the background layer, make a copy. Okay, then click on the banner layer. Then Control plus click to select this area. After selection, Control plus C to make a copy of it. Okay, then hide this layer and Control plus D to deselect. After deselection, select the layer 2 and go to the filters and click on the vanishing point again. Okay, then Control plus V to paste here, then drag and drop on the billboard. Now you can adjust its size according to the billboard. Okay. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.